Hi guys, it's me. I'm Radek from Dwomli. Today we will be talking about how to build company website with Bulma CSS. Remember, if you like the video, to give us thumb up and subscribe the channel and turn on notifications so you will see every new movie immediately. Hi again, it's me, I'm Radek from Dwomli. And today we will be learning how to build a company website with Bulma CSS. Bulma CSS is super popular CSS framework that can help you to build application, websites, e-commerce templates, even admin templates really quickly, and the design is beautiful. You have really nice colors, you have automatic grids, and you can use ready components that you can put even with your React or Angular applications. Are you ready? Let's start!
As the first step, we need to create the file structure. For that, we will need index.html, style.css, and the image folder. I added my own image here. You can find any free image on any free pick or something like that. Next, we need to create the HTML structure for index.html. Here we will add Bulma. Here we will link to our own styles. And here we will copy a font also. So we will have the icons. And from Bulma we will copy the JavaScript code that we will use for opening and hiding menu. You don't need to write it, you can copy it from Bulma. Okay, it's here. Now we can start creating header that will be on the top of our page. This has background link, it means it should be blue. P4, it means it has padding top and bottom 4, and the has text white. It's defining the color of fonts. Inside the header we need to create container and div with class columns, and next we need to create div with class column. Inside the div we will add icon and some text. Has text array tablet, it means that it will be right aligned, but only on tablet. So on mobile it will be on the left. Here you can find in helpers the classes that you can use to position it or change like size or colors. Oh, it looks like something is wrong. I copied columns 3 times. It should be all of the column divs should be in the one columns div. Now it should be okay. Yes, it looks fine. Now we need to create sections that will be a skeleton for our page. Let's take a look how I did it. We will need 3 more sections. Inside the here we need to create container, and next we will go for Navbar. You don't need to rewrite everything with Bulma, you can take whole component and just change some things. Yeah, this one looks fine. We'll add class is transparent, so we will have like almost transparent now. We will need to add some styles for that, but still the elements will be transparent now just with the class. To the elements we will add the class hasText white, so we will have all the elements white. And now we will change the colors of buttons. It looks fine. Here it will be big background, so it's why we don't see this text, and next we will add the background here. Now we will create a div for 2 columns. We will have padding top 6, and next we need to add 2 divs with class column inside. Empty, it means it will have margin top. hasText warning, it means that color of element inside, like if it's font and icon is font, it will be in warning color. And here in Bulma it's yellow. Fonts you can take from here, from the fonts awesome. Oh, here you can just copy code. Now we need to add some text to have it looking better. And here we need to create button. It will be yellow button, so its class is warning. It looks fine. We have the text here. And now is the time for image for the right column. Okay, our website is going to look much better, and we'll be able to go for the next section soon. In the section services, we need to add container. Next, we will create the heading, so we will use the title and subtitle here. If you will use combination of two elements, one will be with class title and second one will have class subtitle, they will look really nice together. You will see in a second. As you can see, they cooperate really nice. And now we can go into creating cards. We're adding top 6 for our columns div, and we'll create first column. Next, we will create card by adding div with class card and few elements inside. In Visual Studio Code you can create lorem by typing lorem and clicking tab. It will be longer, but still you can use it. Next, we need to copy it. But remember, in one columns div, we can have only 4 divs with name column. So we will to have 8 services, we need to have copied like all the columns 2 times. Yes, it looks great. Now we need to change icons and titles for cards. We have still a few more to change. It looks great. Now we can go into the next section, that will be contact. Let's close both of them. Before contact still we have to create the buttons and logo types. We'll use a field, it's similar to form elements and name its group, so our buttons will be together, they will be in one line. Okay, they look good. Now still we need to create divider and logos. For logos I used the image placeholder, so you can do it as well, and they are free and you can put there in your website there like examples only. Here we will create 4 columns like that, and every column will contain like this placeholder stuff. Actually I used only logos 1 and 3 because they look cool, but you can choose more of them. Yeah, they're fine, we have them. Let's close it. And now finally we can focus on the contact. We need 2 columns. In the first we will have the contact form, in the second one we will have testimonials. And whole of the form I've decided to add in card, and next inside the cards I added inputs. I like the effect, maybe you like as well. You will see it in a second. Okay, it looks really nice now, and we can go into quotation. And we need one more quote, but this one will be right. Here we need to change it to make it on the right and add some padding on the right. Okay, we have testimonial. Still we have one more step to do, that will be adding styles. As the first we will start from hero, and here we need to add this hero BG as a background and set up a height for that. It looks great. It's just for center that buttons on the services. You can see they look really nice now. And now we need to add the logos. Before it will be divider. You can see how you can create divider easily if it's not in any framework that you are creating. It's kind of useful method. Oh, I added it as a pixels, it should be as a percentage. Let's test it, it looks great. And now we need to add one more element that will be the footer, and we need to add some media queries to have our hamburger menu working better. Looks really good. Everything is done now. As you can see, our website is ready. And let's take a look a bit more. Of course, form doesn't work because you need to connect some logic for working form. Oh, I forgot about one thing, to have the dropdown working. Let's fix it quickly. We need to add one class to our hamburger link. It looks great. Everything works. Congratulations!
Congratulations! Now you know how to build company website with Bulma CSS. I am super happy you learned that, and it's especially valuable knowledge because we had the previous videos how to build the websites with Bootstrap, how to build admin templates with Bootstrap, but we learned how to host website with Amazon S3 and Cloudflare. You can find the link in the article, so you are able to learn how to host your website almost for free. Like, it's super cheap for really nice web hosting. And what is the best? It's secure. If you like the video, give us thumb up, subscribe the channel and turn on notifications, and then tell us in the comments how looks your company's website and what you build. I'm really curious what you built. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!